The 2027 Audi S3 arrives with a sharp sense of purpose, blending premium refinement with the kind of raw performance that places it among the most versatile sport sedans in its segment. From the first glance, it's clear this machine doesn't compromise. The familiar yet refined single-frame grille, flanked by aggressively sculpted LED matrix headlights, sets the tone. Subtle changes in the front bumper give it a wider stance, and the sharper side creases add muscle without going overboard. Around the back, quad exhaust tips and a discreet trunk lip spoiler reinforce the car's performance DNA. The entire silhouette feels more athletic than ever, lowered slightly, with optional 19-inch wheels pushing the sportiness even further. Inside, the S3 welcomes drivers with a cabin that's both minimalistic and high-tech. Audi's virtual cockpit comes standard, with a crisp 12.3-inch digital display that transforms into a racetrack-ready layout at the push of a button. The center touchscreen is intuitive, responsive, and fully integrated with the latest MMI system. Materials remain top-tier. Soft leather, Alcantara inserts, and brushed aluminum accents give the cabin a sporty yet upscale character. Audi's ambient lighting package creates a cockpit vibe after dark, customizable across a range of colors to match the mood. The flat-bottom steering wheel, standard on this trim, feels perfect in hand, offering tactile control and paddle shifters that respond immediately. Under the hood, the 2027 S3 retains its turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine but with noticeable tweaks. It now delivers 333 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, pushing it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. Power delivery is smoother and more aggressive, paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission that snaps through gears with near-telepathic speed. Quattro all-wheel drive remains a key weapon in the S3's arsenal, making the car feel stable, grippy, and confident in any condition: rain, snow, or sharp bends on winding roads. A reworked suspension setup with adaptive dampers gives drivers the choice between comfort and performance with the tap of a button. Fuel efficiency has also seen mild improvements, now offering around 27 mpg combined. While this figure may not seem dramatic, it's impressive considering the S3's performance level and all-wheel drive system. Audi's focus here lies in delivering efficiency without dulling the car's sporty edge. The balance is achieved not just through engine tuning but also through aerodynamic refinements and weight optimization across the chassis. Technology plays a major role in the 2027 S3's appeal. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a 15-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system that transforms the interior into a mobile concert hall. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system elevate safety while enhancing everyday usability. Even small additions, like predictive adaptive suspension that reads road conditions in real time, give the car an intelligent edge. One of the subtler yet impactful updates is the inclusion of enhanced voice control, now powered by AI. Drivers can issue more natural commands for navigation, climate, or music, and the system learns habits over time. Audi has also included OTA over-the-air update capability, allowing the S3 to stay current with software improvements without needing a visit to the dealership. The seating remains comfortable yet firm, offering the right amount of support for spirited drives without compromising long-distance comfort. Rear passengers now enjoy slightly more legroom thanks to clever seat design and cabin optimization. The trunk space remains practical, offering enough room for weekend luggage or everyday commuting needs. For a compact sports sedan, it strikes an ideal balance between usability and fun. Audi also introduces a new dynamic driving mode, S+, which sharpens throttle response, stiffens the suspension, and even pipes in a deeper engine sound for an even more visceral driving experience. It turns every on-ramp into an opportunity and every backroad into a playground. Even in comfort mode, the car feels composed, quick, and always ready to spring to life. In terms of pricing, the 2027 Audi S3 enters the market starting around $49,000, though adding packages like the Black Optic Sport Package, Prestige Trim, and Driver Assistance Suite can push the figure closer to $58,000. Still, considering its blend of luxury, tech, and performance, it remains competitively priced against rivals like the Mercedes-AMG A35 and BMW M235 iX Drive. Subtle design touches also give the S3 its unique identity. The honeycomb grille is finished in gloss black, The brake calipers are painted red with S badges, and the rear diffuser adds aerodynamic presence. All of it contributes to a cohesive, performance-oriented look that still feels premium and mature. Drivers looking for hidden treats will notice the customizable launch control settings, which allow for tailored acceleration profiles. Another neat feature is the Efficiency Coach, a built-in assistant that provides real-time driving feedback to maximize fuel economy, useful for those who daily drive the S3 and want to balance fun with frugality. The 2027 S3 continues to push the compact sports sedan envelope, delivering German precision, punchy acceleration, and a surprisingly polished ride. Whether cruising through city traffic or carving up a mountain pass, the car remains composed, quick-witted, and unmistakably Audi. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about enjoying every second in between.